This works on everything. It's so great. It has little settings here so you know which type of situation you're going to be using it for. This is for my yoga ball. I've used this for my car. And it's just so nice to have and handy to have around the house for these times. My tire was low on my car. So easy to just grab it and go. It shows how much air is in it already and then how much it's needed. And it will